Never forget where you're coming from. King Shanga set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel datmisehtv and welcome back to another video. Now today we are back with another house hunting video and we are in St Anne. We are going to be featuring this brand new development called Paradisiac Beach Club, which is in Llandovery in St Anne, literally 2-minute drive away from Richmond Estate. People, this development is being dubbed as the new Richmond Estate, but guys, I'll make you judge for yourself. Now we decided to, as we always do, take you on the journey with us to the site of Paradisiac Beach Club, and I started videoing actually from Richmond Estate. So you can see plantation there. I started from Richmond Estate because I wanted you guys to see exactly how close this new development is to Richmond Estate. The only difference with this development is that this development, Paradisiac Beach Club, is on the beach side. So this development has direct access to the beach. The developers of this new development, Paradisiac Beach Club, are the same developers as Pyramid Point. If you guys are familiar with Pyramid Point, then some of the designs of these units will look familiar to you. Guys, I will put the video of Pyramid Point in the description box if you haven't seen it already, but these are the same developers as Pyramid Point. Now here we are, guys. To the right is the entrance to Paradisiac Beach Club. Do you see how close it is to Richmond and why people are dubbing this as the new Richmond Estate? Now there will be 1,000 units built in total, and they will comprise of 1-bedroom apartments, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom apartments, 3-bedroom, 2-story houses, 3-bedroom duplexes, and 4-bedroom beach villas. Here we are, here's the sign. Some of you may have seen it driving past already. We drove in to have a look. Ground has already been broken. Work is currently taking place. And we just thought it'd be nice for you guys to see what the site currently looks like. Now these units are currently being sold pre-construction. Now you know pre-construction the prices are slightly lower, but they are currently being sold pre-construction. Later on in the video I'll go through all the details and I'll go through the prices of the units as well. So just a reminder, the units are 1 to 3-bedroom apartments, 3-bedroom bungalows, 3-bedroom duplexes which are 2-story, and 4-bedroom beachfront villas. Now remember guys, this is on the beach, right? These developments are on the beach side, so of course the amenities include beach access. It will also include clubhouses, so more than one, pools, more than one, convenience stores, an array of restaurants, parks and public spaces. Let's have a look at the site as it currently is, as work currently takes place. And then after that, we'll have a chance to have a look at the computer generated videos of what the units will look like once they have been completed. Coming up, we have the site map of the development, and also coming up, you'll see a site map with a red parameter. The units within that red parameter are the units that are currently being sold at the moment. Okay, so a little bit more information. So the diamond are the premium villas, which are 4-bedroom, 4 bathrooms. The onyx is the 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom, 2-story. The ruby, you may recognize this from Pyramid Point, the same design, is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom bungalow. The sapphire and the emerald are 1, 2 and 3-bedroom apartments. Okay, let's have a look at the video for the onyx. 3-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom duplex, 2-story. Prices for the onyx are $490,000 US or $450,000 US pre-construction. the Sapphire, which are 1 and 2 bedroom apartments. Prices for these are 1 bedroom $250,000 US or $210,000 US pre-construction, 2 bedroom $310 US or $270 US pre-construction. Ruby, which is the design has been taken from Pyramid Point, 3 bedroom, 3.5 bathroom bungalow. And prices for the Ruby start at $490,000 US or $400,000 US pre-construction. Okay, the Emerald apartments, which are 2 and 3 bedroom apartments with loft, I must add, with a loft. So prices for the 2 bedroom, $600,000 or $580,000 pre-construction. The 3 bedroom is $800,000 or $750,000 pre-construction. And lastly, the Diamond Villa. The Diamond Beachfront Villa, which has direct access to the beach, 4-bedroom, 4.5 bathroom. There is no video for this one, so I'm just using the images that were provided. So unfortunately we can't get to see inside, but as soon as the video becomes available, I'll let you know. So 4-bedroom villa is listed at $2 million US. Right, okay guys, just some information about purchasing and deposits. So pre-construction deposits are currently being taken until August 2022. Pre-construction deposits are 20% of the sale price. Regular 10% deposit applicants are placed on a waiting list that will be processed in August 2022. Pre-construction investors are given MOUs and not sales agreement. They can provide you with a sales agreement with bylaws in August when they are processing general purchases. For more information, please contact the details coming up on the screen now. Guys, thank you for watching this video. We hope you've enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. And until next time, datmisehtv.